Ex-cop turned cabbie gunned down in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A taxi operator was shot and killed in Eastern Kingston Police Division on Thursday afternoon. He has been identified as Kenny Wilson, an ex-member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Information reaching Links 007 TV News is that sometime after 7 p.m., Wilson was standing beside his motor vehicle on Kensington Road when two armed men walked up to him and engaged him in a brief conversation before shooting him. Wilson, who is also said to be a licensed firearm holder, weapon was also taken during the attack. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police have since commenced an investigation but have not yet established a motive for the killing. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.